It's okay.
Well, I knew you could literally call in at any time for me. You would do it.
Yeah, because actually I want to call in later, but yeah, because
Complicated.
Yeah, complicated. I'm sorry for the
No
inconvenience.
problem. No problem. I'm happy you want to call in, Kawewa.
Wait, thank you for having me. I'm so happy. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, after Tatsumachi, I was like really nervous. Like, you know.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Why are you nervous? Why are you nervous? Do I make you nervous?
No. Like after Tatsumachi, I was just like, I don't know. It's just like
the sounds you just made. I was looking at the art of your Discord thingy, and the mask. It looks like a monkey, right? And you're making sounds. Gorilla Kaela.
Gorilla.
That I cannot really call cute. I think that would be closer to cool. Return to monkey. Reject humanity. Return to.
Wait. I'm just making the birthday girl to be like a monkey now.
Yeah. Yeah. People always tell me that I sound like a monkey when I panic.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do people tell you sound like something, like some animal?
I don't know. I'm always be like the monkey, the gorilla one, but I don't know.
I think you have potential to become a really high quality gorilla monkey.